Hi everybody, this is Jen, and I have an exciting new share from a new company who reached out to me and asked me if I would do a video for them. So this is called Onedaysaving.com, and I am going to show you the diamond painting part of Onedaysaving.com, and they are very inexpensive, and they gave me a 5% discount code. So that's here. It's POSH05 off, and it is case sensitive, so I'll put everything in the description box below. So just hit that extend button there and you'll get the website, the links to the diamond paintings that I got, and then the discount code also. So be sure you use the 5% discount code. And yeah, so these are the diamond paintings I got. I got 3, and this one is for my daughter, so she can we can diamond paint together because it is a calming but nice thing that you can do with someone. And this is the betta fish, and again it's linked below. And in her new house that she's about to move out, she is going to have a room that her fish tanks sit in, and she loves her betta fish. She has 2 betta fish obviously in 2 different tanks right now, so that's what she's going to be doing. And each kit comes with a pair of tweezers, the wax, the little tray, a extended, like, I don't know how many fit on there, but it's an extended thing for the diamond paints, and then the little stylus here. So that comes with it. And also each kit has its own little set of the beads here. So just to give you an idea, there's probably, well, here it tells you right up the side here how many of each. I guess I have this upside down. Okay, this one is 40 by 30 centimeters, which I think is about 9.5 by about 13.25 or so. And there are lots of beads. There's 35 different colors, and some of them have, well, the black has almost 5,000 beads, so there's lots of beads in there, and they are just specific to this diamond paint. So can't wait to do this. I'm not going to do it on this video because it'll take way too long, but I'll do some processes and time lapse, and maybe even a live video or something. So stay tuned for that. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so this one is just a tad bit smaller, and it's about 9 and well, it's 9 by about 13 and or 12.5. So it's just a little smaller. It looks smaller because it doesn't have as big of a frame around it. This is one of my favorite paintings from the Harry Potter series, and I think it's a fan base art, but I'm not positive. So yeah, again, this one has 19 different colors, and some of them have up towards 4,000 colors of each. And again, here are the beads nicely packaged. And this one comes with a smaller piece of wax. It does not come with the big extension, and then a smaller stylus. So a little smaller, but the whole thing is smaller. So that is the second one. I can't wait to do this. It's going to be art in my new craft room, I think. And let's go to the last one because you're going to love it. Okay, so this one's a biggie. This one's about 13.25 by 13.25 inches, and it is 23 different colors. And yeah, I love it. It's an awesome image. And again, it comes with lots of beads. Some of the beads are up towards 4,000 beads each, and it comes with the, I think I may have got these mixed up. I think this one may have went with the smaller one, but regardless, it comes with one of your styluses, wax, and a little bead tray for you. So yeah, that is my share. So I hope you all enjoy it and hang out with me to see the completed projects. And again, it is onedaysaving.com, and this is the diamond painting, And the discount code for 5% off is POSH05OFF. It's up here on the screen and linked down below. So be sure you check out those links and head on over to onedaysaving.com. And we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.